Halo semua, saya Dandi dari Dandi TV. Di video kali ini saya akan mereact video dari novela yang berjudul Moment of Animal Genius That Will Amaze You. Kira-kira akan terpesona kah atau tidak? Sebelum itu kita like dulu videonya full screen, link video ada di deskripsi. Play.
You already know that many animals are pretty intelligent, but sometimes they are so clever that it's frightening. Today we'll prove that animals are more capable than you think. Warning, if your parents are always nagging about the mess in your room, don't show them this video, because this chimpanzee started cleaning its own enclosure after watching people do it for a long time. And here's another little guy who's just started to get the hang of it.
Ajay, dia bersih kan?
This chimpanzee started to walk erect after watching humans walk by.
Kira-kira berapa simpan saya?
Unfortunately, he's gonna regret this when he's got an office job and bills to pay. This orangutan is better at washing her hands than most humans.
Anjay, bisa begitu, bisa
And
kepikiran.
this orangutan at the Tokyo Zoo wipes his face with a towel exactly like a human. And he doesn't just wipe it, but dips the towel in water, wrings it out, then puts it on his face to refresh himself.
Damn.
A family watching lions from the supposed safety of their car at a safari park in South Africa learned that you should always lock your doors no matter what.
I know.
Fortunately, the passenger managed to close the door again just in time.
Just lock the door. Oh my gosh, I didn't know they could do that.
This raccoon steals food out of a cat's bowl right in front of all three owners, then runs away as if straight out of a cartoon. By the way, it didn't just steal the food, it also washed its hands before it did, so at least he's got some sort of manners. Watch how these tiny creatures use teamwork to reach the good stuff.
E elas vão conseguir, cara. Ó, a brisa. Malditas!
If you have enough goats around your house, I'd suggest investing in a very good lock, because apparently they're masters at lockpicking.
Anjay.
Is that surprising or what?
Masanya banyak cuy. Kambing tuh.
These two dogs can't figure out if they love or hate each other. At least they're smart enough to only bark at each other when the gate is there to hold them back. This adorable 3-year-old baby elephant in China has learned how to slide down a hill. And here's the whole herd of them enjoying a nice muddy slide. When a dog plays volleyball better than you, you understand that humans are not always top of the heat.
Anjay.
What does your face look like when you're being tickled?
Oh my god, that is awesome!
Nggak mati ini parinya.
We know why elephants need their trunks.
Elephant love ass, bro.
And this elephant who wasn't as keen on taking pictures. Beluga whales are highly intelligent animals, which is proven when this beluga whale plays fetch with a rugby ball.
Anjing laut. Putih kah? Damn.
And here's a bull just living his best life.
Oh, lucunya. Senangnya dikasih bola. Dia kesenengan nih coy. Lucunya.
You might think that crows are just those irritating birds trying to steal your food all the time. But crows are actually very intelligent, like this crow that comes back every day to play ball with the dog and its owner. And once the crows are trained to pick up and drop stones, they can figure out this problem pretty quickly, which illustrates their intelligence. The crow uses the stones to raise the water level in order to reach a piece of floating food.
Kira-kira memang jangan diajar, Ri.
If I'm
Segar
being
kenali
honest,
aja.
I'm not even sure some humans could have figured that out.
Damn.
At Olympic Game Farm in Washington, there are 19 of the so-called waving brown bears who have become extremely popular around the world. Why? Because they not only wave to the tourists visiting them, but they can also catch slices of bread with their mouths and paws like edible frisbees.
Damn. Ooh.
The bears seem like such adorable and kind-hearted animals, but if I was visiting them, I wouldn't trust that fence in 1,000 years.
Coy, na dapat terus.
In a Dutch zoo, chimpanzees once again prove how intelligent they are when a drone was taking images of their enclosure. The clever apes discovered the spying plane and immediately armed themselves with long sticks against the electronic intruder.
LOL.
The chimpanzees eventually saw that the drone was harmless and inedible and lost interest and left. Meanwhile, the drone, which cost almost $2,500, was hopelessly destroyed.
Anjay.
This gorilla has been a star at the Philadelphia Zoo for the past 14 years, and these videos have brought him nationwide attention. Weighing
Gitu kah
in at a
jalannya?
hefty 470 pounds and
Tahu kok.
standing nearly 6 feet tall,
pakai juga
Louis
tangannya.
the gorilla prefers to run around on 2 legs rather than all 4s.
Tuh. Damn.
There are also several other gorillas around the world with the same unusual behavior, and scientists believe they walk upright to more effectively gather food, which may be one of the reasons humans evolved to walk on 2 feet in the first place. Elephants are known to be exceptionally smart creatures, and in this video, an elephant demonstrates his impressive mental capabilities by painting an amazing self-portrait with his trunk.
Coy. Gila ada.
And here's a dolphin who's also painting, but it didn't turn out quite as good as the elephants, although the dolphin seems pretty happy with the results.
Begini ku percaya aja, tapi kalau itu tadi gajah cuy. Damn.
A turtle shell is a reliable form of protection, but it can also become a natural trap which may well cause the end of the animal's life. A flipped over turtle could die from heat or because of hungry predators, but there is still a chance for salvation if other turtles are clever enough to understand the danger and come to the
Tahu
rescue.
baik ya. Damn. Wih, kencang je. Oh, anak baiknya.
Next up, check out this monkey who learned to do the dishes.
Lebih pintar ke cuci piring daripada saya, coy.
Man, I wish I had a monkey
Damn.
like that. This video was taken in Dubai, showing an orangutan named Rambo driving around with a golf cart at the zoo.
Woi. Damn, bro. Bisa-bisanya deh kayak begitu. Wih, pintar ya.
This remarkable video was filmed in a Chinese zoo, and it looks like the real Planet of the Apes will start from here. A little white-faced capuchin was smart enough to use a tool while attempting a prison break. It purposely sharpened a rock and then hit the glass with it. Coincidence? No. Even though the animal was frightened at first, it immediately returned to check what it had accomplished. Unfortunately for it, the animal didn't have time to break the glass completely until the stones were taken away. The glass was replaced and patrols were stepped up. Maybe he should try the sewers next time.
Keren ini film, tapi banyak orang bilang nggak percaya ki bilang selamat ki.
This crow sets a good example by recycling a plastic
Buang sampah
bottle.
pada tempatnya, coy. Masa kalah sama hewan?
And here's
Damn.
another intelligent crow picking up trash after humans
Gagal.
and putting it in the bin where it belongs.
Deh. Pintarnya gagak baru gak tahu. Damn.
Let us know in the comment section which of these clips amazed you the most. And make
Tadi
sure to
tuh ya
subscribe
yang
to the channel with notifications turned on so that you don't miss our next video.
tadi agak aja ya menggambar. Aduh. Oke guys, sampai di situ aja videonya. Jangan lupa di klik like sama subscribe, nyalakan notifikasinya sama komen video apa lagi mau di react di bawah. Oke, bye bye.